Welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of intermittent fasting, the ultimate game changer for weight loss and overall health. Get ready to have your mind blown and your body transformed. So, what exactly is intermittent fasting? Well, it's not your typical diet, my friends. It's a lifestyle that involves cycling between periods of eating and fasting. It's all about when you eat, rather than what you eat. Sounds intriguing, right? There are several different methods to follow when it comes to intermittent fasting, and each has its own unique benefits. Let me break them down for you. 16/8 method. This involves fasting for 16 hours and restricting your eating to an 8-hour window. Perfect for beginners. 5/2 diet. This method involves eating normally for 5 days a week and restricting your calorie intake to 600 calories for 2 non-consecutive days. Great for those who want flexibility. Alternate day fasting. As the name suggests, you'll fast every other day, consuming only 600 calories on fasting days. It's a bit more challenging, but the results are incredible. Now let's dive into the fascinating science behind intermittent fasting. When you fast, your body switches from using glucose as its primary fuel source to burning fat for energy. This metabolic switch not only helps shed those extra pounds, but also promotes autophagy, which is the body's natural process of cellular rejuvenation. Talk about a win-win situation. Intermittent fasting isn't just about losing weight. It offers a plethora of other incredible benefits too. Check these out. Increased energy levels. Say goodbye to those midday crashes and hello to a steady stream of energy throughout the day. Enhanced mental clarity. Fasting has been shown to improve focus, concentration, and overall cognitive function. Get ready to unlock your mental potential. Improved insulin sensitivity. Intermittent fasting can help regulate blood sugar levels and decrease insulin resistance. Game changer for those with diabetes or pre-diabetes. If you want to kick your results up a notch, combining intermittent fasting with exercise is the way to go. When you work out in a fasted state, your body taps into its fat stores more efficiently, accelerating fat loss and muscle definition. Plus, you'll feel a natural surge of motivation like never before. Did you know that intermittent fasting might just be the secret to living a longer, healthier life? Studies have shown that it can promote longevity by activating specific genes that repair and protect our DNA. It's like hitting the pause button on the aging process. And that brings us to the end of this mind-blowing roller coaster ride of intermittent fasting. I hope you're as excited as I am about the endless possibilities that await you on this incredible health journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you never miss out on my future life-changing videos. Till next time, stay blessed, stay hungry, but not too hungry, and keep embracing the adventure of intermittent fasting.